They don't, BJP party don't like Christians.
Ki ikam BJP ikam sultanar ki Khristan.
Modi doesn't like Christians.
O Prime Minister Modi sultanar ki Khristan.
He is against Christianity.
Mo bersah ki Khristan.
They want to kill all Christians.
O kuah ban peniap lot ka sarkari ki
They
Khristan.
want to make India as a Hindu country.
Ki kuah ban pelong bakar India kan long kata kari Hindu.
Hindu country they want to make
Ki
it.
kuah ban kari Hindu.
And they want to kill, many Christians are being killed nowadays.
Ki kuah ban peniap ki Khristan ban bon ki Khristan lana peniap man gaswi.
There is no life for Christians in this India.
Don kata ka Yesus ki Khristan re India.
Maybe it's not happening in your state.
Kalaban long kanam jahang ne post
Maybe
be
it's not
kalaya.
happening in your state.
Kanam jahang ne regioni.
But look at UP and problems are coming.
Be thapo UP ka
Look at
jibisam.
Andhra Pradesh, the problems are coming.
Be thapo Andhra Pradesh jinjar kiwan.
Lot of states are experiencing Christians are being killed there.
Bon ki state hakini ki rithor bon ki Khristan lapan yap ye ki.
Are you praying for them?
Hato bitu wahin to
The
joki.
problems are very bad in India.
Oh ki jing egon ha India.
They don't want Christianity in India.
Kinam kuwa banon ki Khristan ha India.
Yes, they say this is a Hindu country.
Ki ongan ne ki riju ki Hindu.
Every country belongs to God.
Baro gari ka jong bulay.
Every country belongs to God.
Baro gari ka jong bulay.
Nobody claims that their own countries.
Amber no balaban bang kami gari joki.
All countries belong to Jesus.
Baro ki rigi Jesus Christ.
But devil is coming and killing Christians.
Hani soit wan bat penyapi ki Khristan.
Devil is coming and killing Christians.
Uk soit wan bat penyapan si mega jingim ki
Because
Khristan.
he wants to build his own kingdom.
Namar ukwa bantay la jong kahima.
He wants to build his own kingdom.
Ukwa bantay la ka jong kahima.
At this kind of unhappy times,
Hagi ka por ka bam sutan
at
ka bam
this dangerous time,
ka por ka ba
get ready now.
Long